I want to get to the Tesla and its delay in the delivery of Model 3s. If you haven't ordered one yet, you'll have to wait to get one until 2019. Joining us now, Gene Munster from the Loup Ventures group. He joins us now. Gene, you're a big fan of Tesla. It looks like they got some problems here with the production of the Model 3, which is possibly a big problem for the whole company. What say you?
I think when you have these massive transitions that they're undertaking, this is a first mainstream mass market electric vehicle they're trying to produce. It takes time. And if you look at history, things that are worthwhile take time. I look back to around the 1500s. Da Vinci took 4 years to paint the Sistine Chapel. The Vatican did not pull the plug 4 months into this, and investors have been pulling the plug 4 months into this production ramp. And I think what you're going to look back and see with this Model 3, once they work through these production issues, that this car is going to fundamentally change how cars are built all around the world.
Well, that's interesting. You said the Model 3 will fundamentally change the way cars are built around the world. Are you talking about the manufacturing process here, or are you talking about the all-electric vehicle that Tesla's producing?
Both. On the manufacturing side, you have this intense need to build mass batteries at scale. So there's this manufacturing challenge. Elon Musk refers to this as manufacturing hell that they're going through. But I think it's important to point out that every car manufacturer, as they embark down this EV path, and they haven't yet, are going to go through some of those same difficulties. So that's on the manufacturing side. That's something that the Model 3 is going to change the world on. And separately, just the adoption of electric vehicles. There is superior technology over an internal combustion engine, and I think that the Model 3 is going to be the standard as far, or will be a pivotal moment in the adoption of electric vehicles.
You know, Gene, we look to you to look ahead in technology. Where are we going? Who are the winners? What are the major developments? So I want to ask you about Bitcoin. I don't know whether that's within your realm, but, you know, it's making quite a splash in the financial world because it moved above $12,000 per coin today. In your opinion, is this a bubble or not?
I think it's a bubble near term. I don't think it's a bubble in the sense that Bitcoin is going to go away. It's probably likened to the internet around 2000, is that it just got ahead of itself. If we went back and look at those stocks that survived are a lot higher today than they were in 2000, so they weren't bubbles. But near term, when you have people who really have no understanding of Bitcoin wanting to buy Bitcoin, that's usually a red flag. And so I'm a little bit more apprehensive near term, but don't want to be mistaken here. Big believers in the concept of blockchain and Bitcoin longer term. Longer
term. All right. Gene Munster, always a pleasure. Thanks for joining us, sir. See you again soon. Thank you.
Thank you, Stuart.
Yes.